Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I got some new shit for you today here. I managed to actually get a car from my job, so we're gonna do the big reveal here. It's a surprise. So without any further ado, there she is. 2002 Acura NDX. And she is mine. There you go. This, obviously being in an impound lot from a towing company, there's going to be some unknown problems that we're going to discover down the road. But she starts up, she drives, she needs one hell of a car wash, and probably some serious detailing work. Or just take it to a paint job one day on my day off and like, yo, here, take it. You can get a rental car for the day or something, I don't know. We'll figure that out later. But yeah, let's get to the meat of the fun part. Got a fresh new battery in there. All of that. And we're just gone. There is a check engine light, but I already know what that's for. That's for the heated O2 sensor, the upstream one. I took a picture of the engine code. We're sitting at an interesting 157,730 miles. 80 some gas. My seatbelt's not on. And I believe there is something triggering the SRS. I think that's what that is. There's some duct tape residue there. One of the downsides out the gate, my steering system doesn't work. I'm not sure why that is, but look into that a little later. It's automatic transmission. Let's see if we get some light on here for you. There we go. Lighting sucks on this, but I apologize for that. But yeah, naturally being inaccurate, leather seats all around. Need to clean out all this stuff in here because I pretty much inherit whatever the hell's in here. There's like Honda Odyssey van doors. There's all my stuff from work. There's a thing of bleach. No, I have no idea why that's in there. AC does work. I can't control it too much because it's supposed to be done into this screen. Yeah, it's pretty cool outside, so I'm going to roll the windows down. So that leads me to the other thing. 4 of my 5 windows open. That one will open. That one's open, as you can see. That one's open. That one is not opening. The window regulator is off track and or busted. And so I got a sunroof, as you can see. So yeah, all in all, pretty decent car. So we'll get into that dramatics of that a little bit later. I can't wait to get inside this thing and do some work and get some more DIYs. Till then, we'll see y'all next time.